Hello everyone, and now to go with coffee, we are making Mattar or Indian peas with gravy for some Basmati rice and a butter chicken korma thing. Yum! And this is my new induction burner that got from the Zon of Am. I'll have the link to it down below after we see how it demos. It's induction. This, I think this is a Henkel. Yeah, this is a Henkel pot. Thank you, my dear Margareta. She visited and left it, and I kept it. And it does temperatures and power intakes. Alright, so we fire it up, press function, and I press function to the temperature. I'm going to go 300 on this because it's straight vegetables. Alright, we are going to add, you can hear the slight buzz of the electromagnetic, a little xvoo. We're going to cook some of the minced onion, ginger. If you like garlic, include it. We don't like garlic in this household. Just give it a little sweat. And we're also going to sweat some spices for this Indian pea gravy. Sometimes I put a chunky potato in there with it, but today we're just doing peas and rice. This is chili powder. We have turmeric, cumin, coriander, and smoked chipotle. Give these all a heat just to warm the spices up. Yum. And we're going to finish the gravy with tomato. This is about, that was about 2/3 of a cup. It smells yummy, warmth and warm spices. Warm spices, pieces. And just get this some warm. So this burner is set to 300. So everything is turning to a wonderful concoction here. The goldenness of the turmeric showing on the bottom of the pan. And we're going peas galore. And I'm making this many because I want leftovers to go over the leftover rice, to go with the naan, to go with some potatoes tomorrow. We're just going to let this do its thing a little bit, and I'm going to add a little bit of stock. If you want, come look at the light. So we've got some bone broth, and I'll do this and add half a cup of water.
You didn't show me how to turn it on.
Press and hold.
Which one?
Blue. And we're going to shed some light on the situation. We'll add the water to make the gravy. So we're going to turn this up now. I'm going to turn up to 350. It goes up in 20 increments, so from 300 to 340.
Is that too bright? Is that 100%?
So we got bright peas maybe too much light on the situation. Pull back.
I'm trying to eat that.
And we're gonna heat these through. And I'm gonna add salt and pepper. Just a touch. Alright, we're just gonna do some gray salt. And we're gonna do a meat. Okay. You can see the action in the xvoo. So this is almost a dairy-free meal. I'm going to reserve the dairy since we're having a kinda butter chicken / korma variation. And this could use some butter if you're so inclined, but Indian food, for the most part, steers away from dairy. So I'm just gonna go with this. And I need a taster spoon. Taste everything. I'm tasting first. Everybody wants a taste. It definitely needs to be on rice. Ooh, yum. It's spicy. It's a little spicy. I used a unknown to me chili powder for the first time, but got the lovely of the garam masala and the floury turmeric and the cumin and all the yummy stuff in there. That is beautiful. Alright, we're gonna let it finish heating up there for a second. Reaching across you, move.
I wonder if that one works.
Hmm?
I wonder if that one works.
Alright, I'm gonna turn this off for a minute. It's pretty instantaneous, and you can hear the cool down fan. It's not super loud. That's nice. So you're not screaming over it at a dinner party. Alright, give me a bowl. Another bowl.
I wonder if this would work under the pan.
That's what, no, over there, I'm gonna put the pan on it.
That's what I said.
And now, to go with coffee, our Indian dinner part 2. So, we're starting with the induction burner. I cleaned the pot. The turmeric really stained it. I'm fine with that because there's turmeric in part 2. Okay, so we're turning on the thing, changing the function, and we're going to 360. And I'm going to give us a zhuzh of avocado oil because this is high heat, little less burnt, bitter oil flavor from olive oil when you're cooking. And we're going to rock and roll. Beeps when there's nothing on there. That's nice. And then it turns back on. I like that feature. Where's my paddle? There's my paddle. It's hot. There was water on there. Okay. So for this butter, quote unquote, korma chicken, we have 24-hour marinade on. Yum. Oh, it smells so good. On some chicken breast. We have yogurt, ginger, onion, and spices galore. I have the recipe somewhere. This is going to be a splash. I gotta be careful. And there's also a whole cinnamon stick and a bay leaf in there. I gotta salvage those out of my taste buds. Bay leaf, whole cinnamon stick. Take those over to the basura. Alright, so we're going to break up this chicken breast and give it a crisp. I want to have some blackened bits to this. Some really well caramelized bits. Alright, I'm going to put a dish over here for all the things that are not super delicious to bite down into while I am cooking, because I'm nice like that. I didn't use any cardamon pods because lack of, didn't have any, but I did use some ground cardamom seeds. Hot. This smells yummy. So my dinner companions, there are some cinnamon sticks and bay leaves in here. So be careful. No choking, no breaking of teethage. This smells good, I say, because I like it. So this is going to take a while to keep cooking. It's raw. More cinnamon stick. I just take some TLC and fish out all this whole spices versus the ground spices. Now, I had my eyes dilated today and I can't see anything. You mean this? Yeah, the steam is coming up toward the camera. Even though I had it offset, it's going up over here. That's why I want it higher on the bar. Okay. Hold on. Okay. We've got smoke. Just keep doing that. Alright, so we're going to keep cooking this until it's nice, got brown bits everywhere. Alright, so we are back. And we've got I added 2/3 of a cup of diced tomatoes and juice from a can. Doesn't have to be from a can, that's what I had. And we've got the brown, crispy, yummy chicken, the cinnamon stick pieces, and the bay leaf. if there are any left. They are to be careful when you eat anything with whole spices, because they're just not enjoyable to chomp in. Alright, now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Finish the sauce here. This makes it, between the marinade, the recipe, the tomato, it's a combination of butter chicken korma. And it's yummy. Look at this. Look at this, people. We're going to have yum. Alright, I turned the burner off below because this is all yummy, delicious. And we're going to have rice, peas, some naan, and the chicken. That's my cell phone. How rude.
That's not your cell phone.
It is my cell phone. Dismissed. Alright, give it the last little drips of the heavy cream, because now I know I said that I was doing the peas dairy free, but I'm not doing this chicken dish dairy free, so it's a balance. So this is delicious. Organic chicken breast from Pieces from Misfit Market. I'm gonna plate this up and we're gonna mangia. Allora andiamo!